Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Wi-Fi on Sharp Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the settings button in the top right corner of our screen. Navigate to Network and Internet. Then there's the Wi-Fi. Click on OK to enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.